जी वेलकम टू स्टेनोवर्क्स। जी आज जो हम डिक्टेशन लेने जा रहे हैं ये एक मिसलिनियस पेटिशन है रिगार्डिंग कोरोना वायरस। तो जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। टोटल 768 वर्ड्स हैं। 120 वर्ड पर मिनट के हिसाब से 6 मिनट 40 सेकंड की डिक्टेशन होगी। जी 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। वी हैव heard the learned Attorney General of Pakistan, the learned Advocate General for all the four provinces as well as Islamabad Capital Territory. Stop. A report has been submitted by the National Health Services and Research Center. Stop. With this report, minutes of meeting of the National Coordination Committee on COVID-19, under the chairmanship of the Prime Minister of Pakistan, are attached. Stop. The decision taken in the said meeting has been noted down. Stop. For the purpose of present, we note that items number 2 to 5 thereof deals inter alia with shopping malls, small community market in urban and rural areas, and decision to close down such shops and businesses on Saturday and Sunday. Stop. The learned Advocate General for ICT states that all shops and markets in the ICT have been allowed to open, and the shopping malls, namely Giga Mall, Centaurus Mall and Safa Gold Mall, have also been allowed to open today. Stop. The learned Acting Advocate General Punjab has stated that all shops and markets have been allowed to open in whole of the Punjab and with the permission of NHRSC. Stop. The shopping malls in all our Punjab will be allowed to open today. Stop. The learned Advocate General KPK Balochistan have also made a statement before the court that all shops and markets in these areas have been allowed to open. Stop. They have all stated that SOPs regarding coronavirus COVID-19 will however be maintained and respective governments will ensure that such is done. Stop. We note that all the shopping malls in the ICT Punjab will be open today, and so far the KPK, Balochistan and Gilgit-Baltistan are concerned, it is stated by their respective advocate generals that they don't have any shopping malls but shops and markets, have been allowed to open and they are doing business. Stop. The other aspect which requires to be dealt with is about clear of shops, market and business on Saturday and Sunday by way of complete lockdown. Stop. We do not find any justifiable, rational or reasonable classification on the basis of which these 2 days are excluded from doing business, for that, all days of the week are the same. Stop. It is for the convenience of the human beings that the days have been given names, otherwise there is no distinction between other days of the week from Saturday and Sunday. Stop. We may caution the government of Pakistan, so also the government of all four provinces, ICT and GB, that looking at the past history of Pakistan, where business activities of private entrepreneurs was interfered with by the government, such entrepreneurs lost faith in the system and packed up and moved to some other distinctions in the world, where they considered their investment to be more safe and profitable. Stop. If the businesses and industries remain closed for a long time, their revival become doubtful, more and more, and in case they are not revived, millions of workers will be on streets and the government may be faced with a human disaster and calamity of such a magnitude that to overcome it may become next to impossible. Stop. So far the report of NDMA is concerned, we are not at all satisfied with such report and would like to hear the learned Attorney General for Pakistan on this report as well as the security official. Stop NDMA. For that, we find no reason why so much money is being spent on this coronavirus COVID-19. For that, Pakistan is not the country which is seriously affected by it. Stop. There are other serious ailments prevailing in the country, from which peoples are dying daily, and those ailments are not being catered, and the coronavirus COVID-19, which apparently is not a pandemic in Pakistan, is swelling so huge money. Stop. The Secretary Minister of Health has stated that over the years in the ICT, almost 1,000 people die only on account of pollen allergy. Stop. Besides, we note that thousands of people die on account of brain hemorrhage, cardiac failure, hepatitis, dengue, kidney failure, liver failure, pulmonary and other related ailments, and all these deaths goes in hundreds of thousands every year. Stop. We are not suggesting by any means that the government should not attend to coronavirus, but we expect that the government should not put all its resources for this one disease, nor the country should be made altogether dysfunctional, because of this disease, for its consequences will be highly detrimental to the people of Pakistan, and the federal government and all the provincial government should address itself on this point. Stop. The end.